Alright, so here's what you can expect the controller to look like inside your house. Everything's in this box right here, so it just plugs in right to an existing outlet. Typically we'll do installs exactly like this one, so we'll mount this transformer box into a stud, run conduit down, typically closer to the ground, but the way this baseboard is, we need to leave it a little higher off the ground, and then out to the outside of the house. As you can see, we'll silicone up the hole there, that way there's not any critters that get inside the house. Then in here is everything that we need to operate the system. So this is an astrological timer, which if you don't know what that is, basically it just means that it's preset to where it will come on right about when the sun sets and sun rises, which is exactly what we want. It's a hassle-free system. It works great. Everybody seems to like those. We can also do the photo cells, but typically we like the timers the best.